So it's time to install some new grips. I got about 1,000 miles on my Z900, but the stock grips are like hard as a rock. So I've seen these Vortex V3 grips. They're supposed to be some kind of medium compound, some special grippiness to them. Got a lot of good reviews. So I think today we're going to install these. Change the grips, we're going to need to take the bar ends off. It's a 6mm. A 5mm for the mirror. Alright, a little trick I learned. You take some compressed air, stick it right in the end, pull it right off. Always pay attention in your kit, you're going to get one with a bigger hole. The bigger hole goes on the throttle. Pinch the end with the hose in it. Just push it on. Once you get close enough to put it between the throttle tube, it gets a lot easier. Alright, there we go. Put a bar end mirror back on. Alright, gonna put some red Loctite. So we got the left side done, pretty much identical to the right side. And that's how they look. They feel pretty good. A little spongier, definitely stickier than the stock ones. You can't really go wrong with, $15 grips. And give it a try. See how they go. I'll report back, let you guys know. Please subscribe and like. And I'll be bringing you some more content. Alright, see you guys later.